Designer allows you to create Dante routes for your networked Shure devices. Whether they are virtual devices to be pushed to live later, or networked devices in real time. Accessing the Signal Flow tab, drag the devices onto the workspace. Click an output channel on one device, and click an input channel on the other device to create the Dante route. If you want to cease creating a signal route after you start, simply click the origination point a second time. If you have a mix of devices enabled for Designer and others that are not, you can opt out of pushing routes when you push to the network devices. This allows you to use Dante to route all of your devices and prevents you from overwriting any routes that you may have already established. A time-saving feature, Auto Configure, optimizes the microphone and digital signal processor settings for the devices in your location. After setting signal flow, you can then work with your discovered devices and the configuration tools in Designer to fine-tune your devices in real time. For more information on Designer, visit our website.